Hello everyone, welcome. Today I thought I'd talk a little bit about our GUI strings lesson from Blackboard because it's not in our textbook. And in particular, I want to talk about how you do this widget viewer primer. It's a little bit different, and also this will affect how you do your lab. First thing you'll do is you'll want to download this zip file, which I've already done. Here it is in my downloads directory. And I will need to extract everything in this zip file to a temporary directory. So I will just make a temporary directory here on my desktop. There it is, and I'll open it up. And I can open this zip file up. I'll just open it with Windows Explorer. It has a bunch of Java source files in there. I will select them all and just drag them to this new folder that I've made, and that will extract everything in the zip file. I don't need this anymore, and I am going to be using Eclipse. IntelliJ, if you extract things from the zip file, IntelliJ will work exactly like Eclipse in this regard. So from this folder where I have my extracted files, I will select them all, and I'll need to move Eclipse over a little bit. I'm going to use this temp project down here. Everything in both Eclipse and IntelliJ need to be in a project. So I'm going to select all these Java files from that zip file from Blackboard, and I am going to just drag and drop them onto the source folder, and I'm going to tell Eclipse to copy them in, and it will take a little bit, but there they are. So I don't need this anymore. In fact, I don't need my folder anymore. I'll just delete it. So here are all the files from Blackboard, and here are the MemModel files for the video that was part of the assignment. And this first file, student 1, is just a one-line program. And if I run it, let's see, run as Java application. Everything we do is a Java application. Eventually, an empty window should pop up, which is what this program does. Let's try that again. Run as Java application. And it's launching it. Takes a little while. Yes, this is all this program does, is put up an empty window. So, working your way through these series of programs will show you how to use this little widget viewer GUI environment. The second program's only 3 or 4 lines long, and if I run it as a Java application, you should see something a little bit different. Yes, now we have a field here that says Kilroy was here. So that's how you work through the this reading to go through the widget viewer primer, and it has some text that goes with it. When it comes to doing the lab, you certainly won't need all this stuff, but you do need to keep this widget viewer program, widgetviewer.java file, in your project. So I can delete all the other stuff and I'll delete the widget viewer action event. We will be using that later on in the course. And here I can, just like normal, do the new Java class, and maybe I want to do flashcard. And I'll tell Eclipse to put a main in it for me. but you'll notice I want flashcard and widgetviewer.java both in my default package, because things in the same package can just use one another. They don't have to ask or import or do anything like that. Java will automatically find things that are used in the default package. So my first line of flashcard is probably going to be something like that. Widget viewer WV equals new widget viewer, which is exactly what I had for the widget viewer primer examples. So this will get you started. Keep this widget viewer in your same package as project and package as when you're doing your flashcard and other assignments for this lesson. And that also tells you how to walk through the widget viewer primer with all those files in the project. Hope this helps. Take care. Talk to you later.